Welcome to an edition of Wardy Screencast. What I'm going to show you, honestly, is how to create a drive for your portfolio, how to share it with me so I can edit, how to submit it in Blackboard. So all you're going to do is, pretend I have my CC. I'm going to use CC2 here because I don't already have it shared. But I want to create a portfolio folder within this. So I'm going to do this. I create a new folder. So really all I do is hit new folder. Yay. Alright. Word portfolio CC2. Great. Now I'm going to go in here. I'm going to right click and it's going to say share. And I'm going to share it with my other Gmail account. You would put word f@rowan.edu. This is very important. You want to make sure that you have, I think this is the default, but make sure it can organize, add, and edit. Anything you put in here, I will then be able to edit, comment on. Also, I'm going to, after I grade your portfolios, include a rubric, a PDF of the graded rubric, so I would need to be able to add that in here. So keep that setting, that is very important. Send. Sure, I want to share it. Yes. Done. Alright, now I have, so that's the first part. I'll go back to my drive. To say my first essay, and this is my first essay, it's not, it's just meta commentary examples. But, for sake of argument, this is the essay I want to move into that folder. Because you've revised, so all your revisions are saved in this Google Docs, we're just moving the Google Doc over. Again, I'm going to right click. Move to. Click on Move to. Now I'm going to go back to get to C College Comp 2 in the portfolio, and then I would click Move here. I'm not going to because I don't actually want to move that file, but I would just click here and then all of a sudden, actually let me just do it. Alright, so now I go back to CC2. So I wasn't going to, but I'll make sure I'm showing you the right way. Bam. Now all of a sudden that file's in here. We're good. So when all said and done, you would have first portfolio essay, second portfolio essay, reflective statement, and a critical engagement piece. Making sure that the annotated bibliography is part of that critical engagement piece. If not, maybe you have to add another file there. Let you determine that. If you have questions, ask me. The only other things you might have to add, if you had paper comments for your essays because you didn't share so I could comment, then you would have those scanned in and drop those into. If you use Dropbox, refer to the handout to create a PDF. Create the PDF from the feedback provided in Blackboard. Drop those in here. That's it. If you have questions, ask me. Gladly answer, help. This is not to create any stress on you. But if you did what we've kind of asked you all year semester of doing this all in Google Docs, I can put comments in it. You're literally going to be, after you revise, dropping them in. Alright, so now I have my portfolio. So now I'm ready to submit it in Blackboard. So I'm going to do is this. I'm going to right click, get shareable link. Let me try this a different way. Alright, so I'm in the folder. Do it this way. I'm in the folder. Right? So I'm going to click on this. Get shareable link. Copy the link. Now here, this would be the assignment information. This is for the non-portfolio essay, but I'm pretending this is after I upload the portfolio assignment. Write submission. Click on write submission. Gives you this box. Paste that Google Drive link in. Hit submit. You're done. Hopefully that answers all of our questions. If you have any, email me. Thursday in class, come see me. If you have all this together, you're just having trouble figuring some stuff out in class on Monday, bring your laptop or be able to run to a computer lab. I'm sorry, Monday. Tuesday, December 10th, the day that portfolios are due. We'll take care of it then. Alright, I'm going to make sure that day that everything we need is submitted. I can get into it. I can access it the way I need to. And then we're done. Alright. Professor Wardy, out.